Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the NYX Full Throttle Lipstick, and this is the waterproof Hydro Fudge, and it's just 0.08 ounces, 2.4 grams, and this, okay, I need it to focus to show you guys. Okay, here it goes. So this is just in the color Nightcrawler. If you go into any like Ulta, Mac, or anything like that, or you're looking for it online, if you type in FTLS06 and you type in NYX Full Throttle, you should be able to find it, or you can just look it up by its name, Nightcrawler. And this is just a long-lasting lipstick. But anybody who is familiar with the NYX brand, and guys, it does not want to stand up today, I'm so sorry. Okay, here it goes. So anybody who is familiar with the NYX brand knows how well or knows how good their products are, and these are just my personal opinions, guys. But so I got introduced to NYX because growing up, and I don't know if this is just only me or if I was just the only one that had this experience, but growing up, when it came to makeup, my mom wasn't really big on letting us wear makeup. Makeup was just something that I feel like we only wore because we were all doing competitive dancing, and so with competitive dancing they slap on tons of makeup on your face because it's like stage makeup, but that's the only time I got to wear it. And so I would go to school, and this is like me being in middle school. I would go to school and I'd be so sad because all my friends would be talking about how they got eyeliner and stuff like that, and I always told my mom, I'm like, I just want to wear makeup. My mom's like, no, you're too young. And so when she finally did let me start, it was like me going into high school, and it wasn't even like good makeup. It was like either beauty supply store makeup or like dollar store makeup, and I was just like, I did not care. I was so happy. I was like, I finally get to wear makeup, blah blah blah. I don't have to keep sneaking in my mom's room. And so I started off with the brand Elf, and so Elf is like, I still purchase Elf products. I don't care what anybody has to say about Elf. It is very affordable. You can definitely find some good things when it comes to Elf. So I definitely still purchase Elf. One of my favorite products thus far. But yeah, and I was going into Ulta one day with my friends, and then my friend, she was purchasing this like lip butter, and it's called Dubai. So I'm just putting this out there. If any of you guys have never heard of the lip brand or the lip product, the lip butters that NYX has, brand Dubai, guys, definitely recommend it. But she definitely was like, yeah, like this is my favorite, blah blah blah. But I was very skeptical to buy it because I've never tried it before. So my friend was like, you know what, like I'll just let you try some of mine or whatever. But also too, guys, be very careful about using other people's, like any makeup products. Just be very careful. Just a disclaimer, but just be very careful. Like, you want to be very careful and sanitary, and that's what I want to start talking about this product about. So I tried the Dubai, I got hooked on NYX, and ever since then I've been a NYX like big fan. I love NYX. I oftentimes get multiple of their products, but the reason why I got introduced to this is because, guys, this top part right here, so I'm not going to give it away yet, but it shows you what the color looks like. And if you guys can see that a little better, it's like this purplish, like burgundy-ish color, and I love it so much. I'm a dark color fiend, but I was just amazed at this product because for once I didn't have to open up something or try to use something, and I could honestly see what this product looks like. And so my problem that I have with a lot of makeup stores is that the most unsanitary things go on there. Like, multiple people are using the same lipsticks and not cleaning them. Even when they say they're cleaning them, it's water, so it's like, how efficient are you cleaning them? People don't use applicators, even though the applicators are right in front. Like, people are not using them. The other big issue that I have too is the fact that when you're like going in there and people are, it says like, okay, this is my big issue. It says tester, but some stores don't give you applicators to test it with, and people are putting it directly on their lips. It's just like a lot of things that go on within these stores that really confuse me. And so for once, I didn't have to pick up like a lipstick and try to like figure out, okay, like how am I gonna see if this is good. But this is like one of my favorite lipsticks, and I just am going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the lipstick looks like, and like I said, guys, it's kind of like this burgundy purplish color. The thing that I admire most about this lipstick is that this is one of the lipsticks that I don't even need to, like, a lot of times lipsticks look darker on the stick than they do actually when you put them on, but it's not the case with this. The color right here is the color that I get on my lips, and I really admire that about this brand, because it's the same with like a lot of their colors. Like a lot of their colors, the way it looks is actually going to look on your skin. And I know that people's skin tones like really make up the fact of how it's going to look on you, but I really admire this. Also, guys, another reason why I like NYX too is because it's inexpensive, and me being just graduating out of college, I don't have like the most money to spend on makeup or anything like that. So I really admire the fact that like I don't have to spend that much money. It's a good brand. Definitely one of my favorite lipsticks, like I've said before, guys. But this is just the NYX Full Throttle lipstick, and like I said before, this is in the shade Nightcrawler. I definitely suggest getting it, one of my favorites.